Assalamualaikum dear students. Today the second class of our lecture. In the previous class we learned about the bold, italic, underline, font size, font style, shadows, okay, and also color. So here today we are going to start the reflection. How can we apply the reflection on the text? Suppose I write here perform operation over instructions. Now select here, increase the size of the text and go to the kilo, select the kilo. These are the kilo as you see in the background, the kiloing of the text. Okay, in this way you can set the kiloing of the text. So this is the center button. If you want to move the text on the center page, you can do. If you want to move the text to the right side of the page, so click here. Okay, now at the last here is the justify. Justify means you have to set the alignment of the text equally. Suppose if I write here, if I write what is software, it is the set of programs. Okay, now select the text, click on the justify, medium justify, low justify, and justify high, the high justify, and this is the medium justify, this is the justify low. Okay, it's also depend upon you what type of justify you select. Okay, then here as you see here, these are bullets. If I write here parts of the computer, so CPU, monitor, keyboard, printer. So these all are the main parts of the computer. Now select the all parts and click on the bullets. There are so many styles here. You may select any one style. I select the checkbox. Okay. Speaker. If you press the enter key, so the bullet size will be also increased. Okay. So in this way you can apply the bullets on the text. Then the number. If you don't want to apply the bullets on the text, you may select the number here. There are so many numbers, 1, 2, 3 or ABC. So whatever you want, you may apply over the text. Okay, the Roman numbers here. Okay, then here's the tab. If you want to move the text at a particular position, you may click the tab. Okay, the forward, the backward. Okay, then here is the lines. Here is the line spacing between the text. Suppose here is the size of the line spacing. As you see, 1.5, or if you want to increase the line spacing between the lines, you may select 2.0. You can also decrease the line size. Look at, okay. But if you don't want to give the line spacing, you can click on the remove spacing. Okay. In this way, you cannot apply the line spacing between the lines by clicking on the remove. Okay. Now, here is the shadow of the line. If you want to apply the shadow, suppose is the normal text. Now I want to apply the shadow. Select the color here. There are so many colors. Okay. In this is the line color. This is the row or line color. Okay. You can apply here also. Select the line and click here. Okay. As you see here, this is the color. This is also background color of the line or text. Okay. Then here is the border of the line or border of the paragraph. How can you make? You may select the paragraph and you can apply the border over the paragraph. Okay. Outside, the outside border. Okay, as you see here, in this way. Then you can increase the size of the line. How can you increase size of the line? You should go to the border and shading. Then select the line style, size of the line first of all. Apply here. Press on OK. As you see, the border line is bold. Okay. And also you can apply the color on the border line. Click on the border shading. Now you select the color. Click OK. As you see, the line is also colored. Clear? Then you can skip. You can also skip. You can also remove the line of the border. Click here again and click on the no border. Okay, so clear now. So in this way you can apply the border of the paragraph and also border of the lines here. As you see here that I am selecting the border. Okay, in this way. Now here is the A to Z. Suppose if I write here, there are few names. I write here that Aslam, Zamir, okay, Suresh. Okay. Now I want to set all the names alphabetically in the ascending order. Click on A to Z. Okay. Okay. Now first is the Aslam, Suresh and Zamir.